I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 2 years, 4 months, and 3 weeks now. By far, I've achieved a 29.4% return rate. If you are a fan of index funds and long-term investing, take a look at my weekly update in this video. We saw a major pullback in the market this week, primarily due to the Treasury yields spiking to the highest level since late July, triggered by the strong economic data and the lowered expectations of Fed's rate cut in November. That combo led to almost a 1% dip in the S&P 500 this week. Taking a loss is always frustrating, but it doesn't shake my investment plan here. I bought my $50 VOO shares this week at 9:40 a.m. on Thursday. Now I have accrued 15 shares in total, with my portfolio valued at $79.60. My profit sitting at $1,810 by the end of this week, still a solid 29.4% return. The following chart is a snapshot of my entire investing journey so far. Our 7-week winning streak was interrupted this week. But come on, we can't expect the market to go up without any volatility. This isn't the first and it won't be the last time we see a dip, but in the long run, trust me, time is always our best friend. If you are new to the stock market and my strategy sounds like something you'd like to try, feel free to join me on this journey. All it takes is just $50 a week, a little bit consistency and patience. If I can do it, you can do it better. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week.